Welcome back to another video with your one and only Trader Sam. We have seen a massive explosion for Bitcoin. We are in a very bullish trend right now. We're going to be looking at the best possibilities to get into long positions for more continuation to the upside. But before we do that, guys, please remember I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes, and you know what to do. It's that time of day. If you're finding value, guys, smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. It's really going to help this channel grow, and I really appreciate your support. For those of you that are new to the channel, I've put together this playlist that consists of trading strategies and trading education. I cover a lot of different topics in here, guys, so I highly suggest that you check it out. There's so much to learn within this playlist. So we're going to start off here on the daily time frame just to build some context, and then we'll work our way down to lower time frames. So since March, we have been trading sideways, really. It was a large range that we were in, but we were bouncing up and down between support and resistance. And then finally, we got this breakout with significant volume. So it does look like we will be looking to form a new range, okay? Now, how high can this go? Now, I believe that we could come up and test the 37K region where we do have this cluster of volume over here. We have the value area low, and then this cluster of volume over here, we have the value area high, and they are both matching up. So this level here at roughly 37K is going to be a big resistance level. Now, if we look at some other areas that we have on the charts, some other levels of confluence, you can see here that the MPOC matches up pretty nicely with what we were looking at there, as well as the monthly level. So we're going to be viewing this as a zone between like 37,000 and 37.6, yeah, 37,600. So right now we are, let's go into lower time frames so we can analyze this a little bit further. So it does look like we are creating another range here above the yearly highs, the previous yearly highs that we just broke out of. So on the 15-minute time frame, I've just taken this high that we've put in, this low, and now we've created this range. You can see we have the 50% level of the range, which is acting as support and resistance. Yeah. So what I'm looking at now is to be trading this range here until it breaks. So we have some important levels beneath us. We obviously have the previous yearly highs. We have the bottom of the range, and then we have the resistance level of the channel that we broke out of at roughly 31K. And you can see here, guys, we have an MPOC which matches up nicely to that. We do also have some single prints which match up nicely to the previous yearly highs that we just broke out of. So I am expecting a retest of the breakout zone at some point. Now, whether we come down an SFP, the bottom of the range here, or go a little bit lower to retest the yearly highs that we just broke out of, the previous yearly highs, or if we come all the way down to the channel that we broke out of. I have alerts set at each of these zones, and I'm going to be looking for the reaction when we come down. What would be really nice would be to SFP the bottom of the range here. Now, how far down it comes, it doesn't really matter, but what we want to see is a sign of strength by closing back above the support level of this range. If we do come to deeper levels, well, what we want to see is coming beneath, but then gaining acceptance above the zone that we've come to. So for example, if we do go back inside the range that we've just broken out of, we want to see a fast wick down and then closure back above that zone for a sign of strength. After having a retracement, guys, I am expecting us to come to higher prices. Now, when we do get up here at the 37K region, this is a big resistance level, as we can see from previous data from the bull market, right? We can see here that the value area low here from this range that we had. So when price does come up to this region, I am expecting us to get rejected, where I will be looking for short positions. We just have to be mindful, guys, that we are in a bullish uptrend though. So when we do get into short positions, we need to take profits quickly. Guys, if you are looking for the best exchanges to do your trading on, look no further than Mexi and Bybit. You can claim up to $20,000 worth in bonuses and up to $30,000 worth in bonuses on Bybit by using these links in the description. So make sure you take advantage of these while they last. Also, if you're finding value from the content that I'm providing, consider checking out the Legends Trading community. We have 25% off forever with code LEGENDARY25. Within the community, guys, we give lots of updates live in the time, breaking down what is happening for Bitcoin, sharing our trades, and there's loads of educational content in there as well. So that's it for this quick Bitcoin update, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. Ciao.